Hello everyone, welcome to the satisfying worlds of Mandalas and Zentangles. My name is Jenna and I'm the creative director behind this channel, and today you will be learning how to create a basic mandala on Adobe Illustrator. This tutorial is great for beginners who are still learning the ropes of what goes into the process of designing a mandala. It is also perfect for master mandala crafters who want to translate their work into a graphic design. Before we get started with this tutorial, head on over to the satisfying worlds of mandalas and zentangles.wordpress.com to learn more about mandalas and zentangles and be prepared to satisfy your mind. Okay, let's dive into this tutorial. First, you're going to need to open Adobe Illustrator on your desktop, which I've already had. Fun fact, if you are currently enrolled as a student, you can receive up to 60% off discount for all Adobe products. I highly recommend it if you're looking to expand your horizons within your interest in anything art and graphic design. You would be surprised how well your own hand-drawn art translates onto the computer. First, we're going to lay our mandala foundation. So to do this, we're going to start by creating a 500 point by 500 point canvas. So we're going to click File, New, Custom, and make sure it says 500 points by 500 points. And we're going to click Create. So I'm going to scroll this over, and now I have a perfect square. We're going to start by drawing two lines that intersect at 90 degrees to create 4 squares. So you're going to go over here and find your line segment tool. You're going to scroll on the top to where it says intersect, click, press OK. I don't know why I did that. So if that happens, you could just line it up again and then line this one up here. So there we have our perfect line intersecting our page. Now we're going to click Control-C, Control-V, and we're going to rotate this line until it says 90 degrees. And we're going to push it over here. Alrighty. Next thing you want to do is really important. You're going to go over here on Layer and make sure you click this circle so everything's selected for all our transformations. We're going to go into Effect, go down to Distort and Transform, and click Twist. You want to make sure this angle says 60 degrees, and you want to preview it to make sure it all looks smooth, and you're going to press OK. The next step you want to do is go back into Effect, go back down to Distort and Transform, and click Transform. You're going to want to click Reflect X and make one copy, and press OK. Awesome. The next thing you want to do is go into Effect, go back down to Distort and Transform, click Transform, apply new effect, go into Angle, put 30 degrees, and make 11 copies. And here you have your foundation for your mandala. The next step is to go into the brush tool and click your brush and go back to properties so you can see your brush tool in action and draw your first line. So that's pretty thick, and we can go and click Control-Z and maybe make a dot, and we're going to go in here and make our brush smaller. And then whatever we draw in the mandala will translate to all angles of the mandala. You can play around with how much detail you want to put in. like little dots. Make your brush even smaller. Maybe go outside your foundation. And that is how you get the basic foundation of your mandala. If you like your design, you can click File, Save As, and save it as mandala. And press OK. Now, if you want to change up your design or add any color, you can easily reverse by clicking Control-Z. And you can go in and add some color. So if you click here and scroll, you can change the outline of your mandala. And then go in, click some dots, and click this cool charcoal brush effect, and draw in your mandala. And now you have a really cool effect like that. So it's really up to you what you want to put in your mandala. The more you play around with it, the more you'll get the hang of it, and the more you can create a design that you would love to share with your family and friends. And that's the end of our tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.